Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing 1 lb, 450 g, Persian or Kirby cucumbers. Wash and trim the blossom end, then cut each cucumber into quarters lengthwise, but leave the base intact so they hold together. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon coarse salt with 1/4 cup rice vinegar and 2 teaspoons sugar to lightly brine the cucumbers for 15 to 20 minutes. In a separate mixing bowl, prepare 1/2 cup gochugaru, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon minced ginger. After 15 to 20 minutes of brining, rinse the cucumbers under cold water and gently squeeze each to remove excess water while keeping their shape. Drying prevents a runny kimchi. Open each cucumber pocket and spoon in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the gochugaru paste, making sure the chili, garlic, and fish sauce mix reaches every slit. Work quickly so each pocket gets even paste, pressing firmly but not crushing the cucumber, and stack them snugly in a clean jar or airtight container to minimize trapped air. Seal the jar and leave it at room temperature for 12 hours to start fermentation, watching for small bubbles and a tangy aroma. This kickstarts lactic acid development. After 12 hours, move the jar to the refrigerator and refrigerate for at least 24 hours before eating, although the flavor will continue to develop and is best after 3 to 7 days. Serve chilled as a crunchy side with rice, grilled meats, or in a sandwich. Keep refrigerated and consume within 2 to 3 weeks for optimal texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.